All right, guys, we got a 2017 Porsche Cayenne Turbo S. Good looking car. I'll show you guys what we've done to it. They're beautiful cars. Converter, then it's true-dualed all the way back, and then he had a really bad setup in the center, so we cut it out and cleaned it up for him, gave him really nice welds, had exhaust statics. The crew always knows what they're doing. And then he has a axle back Fabspeed Motorsport USA axle back kit right there. It's really pretty, really nice and shiny and clean with those aftermarket tips there and there. So we fixed that middle section. I'm going to show you guys the back section. This section was over here, was leaking. It wouldn't line up right or anything. So we just cut it out and put on a section pipe in their place. So it's permanent and he doesn't have to worry about it no more. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, I didn't hear it before, but it sounds better already?
It's cleaner.
All right, good. I was in the shop when, so I couldn't get it before for you guys. What you gotta do is the high flow cats next. Yeah. And they'll open up, they'll let these breathe more, you can hear better sound out of them. No, it's not going to be like that crazy loud. We'll just deepen it and let it breathe a little bit better. Amplify the sound a little bit. The tone, not the sound. Go ahead. It sounds good though. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 97.6. Go ahead and back it up. You guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue. Go ahead. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go. You guys ready to hear this thing? Oh yeah, that sounds phenomenal. That sounds really good for a Fabspeed. I like it. Enjoy, guys.